Zeus's Message. Achilles sat on the sand by the Greek ships and played dice with his warriors. He ignored the distant sound of the roaring battle. Ajax had a partner in battle, an archer named Teucer. Ajax would shield him as he would prepare his curved horn bow and then move his shield aside for Teucer to locate his target. Instantly an arrow hissed home to some Trojan throat, eye, or brain. They searched for Hector, the bravest Trojan on the field. Then Teucer saw him in the thick of battle. He bent his bow and aimed. His first arrow killed one of Priam's younger sons, and the second killed Hector's charioteer. Hector called another to take his reins, and he leaped to the ground. Picking up a rock, he headed right for Teucer, who had left the protection of Ajax's shield. Teucer was aiming as Hector threw the sharp stone. It struck the archer's shoulder and numbed his arm. Hector moved in for the kill, but Ajax protected Teucer with his mighty shield. 2 Greeks lifted the groaning archer and carried him out of danger. High up on Mount Olympus, the goddesses wept for the Greeks, who were being hurled back again. Hector ordered the Trojans to set fire to the ships when they reached them. Without their ships, the Greeks would be stranded. Hera and Athena begged Zeus to give the Greeks a chance. Zeus sent a message from where he lay resting as the sun set across the wine-dark seas. The goddesses know what will happen if they even think of interfering. Tell them, he told his messenger, Hector will harass his enemies until Achilles fights, and that will not be until the Trojans are closing in on the ships carrying burning brands. The Greeks will fight to protect Patroclus, Achilles' friend, who is not dead yet. Then, and only then, will Achilles join the battle. The sun sank crimson over the Black Sea. The Trojans withdrew, to the great relief of the Greeks, who had been longing for the sun to leave the sky. It had vanished just in time.